5 ways to lose belly fat overnight. Are you sick and tired of your belly fat and want to do something about it today? If so, you're in luck because in this video, I will show you 5 distinct and proven ways that you can lose some belly fat fast overnight. Watch now to learn how. Losing a significant number of pounds overnight may not be a realistic goal. However, there are things you can do to reduce the appearance of your belly while you sleep. These methods are perfect for those times when you're preparing for a special occasion and want to look your best in the outfit you plan to wear. Try them, and you'll notice a flatter stomach when you get up in the morning. 1. Try a bentonite clay belly wrap. Doing a bentonite clay wrap will help flatten your belly by drawing out toxins. According to a study published by Clinical and Experimental Dermatology in 2012, it will also tighten skin, which will further improve your belly's appearance. To do this, prepare 3 cups of green tea using 3 tea bags. Then mix in 1 cup of bentonite clay powder. Before bedtime, spread the mixture all over your belly and wrap it with cling film. You can get the best results if you keep it on overnight, but if you can't tolerate it while you sleep, be sure to keep it on for a minimum of 1 hour before washing it off thoroughly with warm water. 2. Prepare a lemon and pepper detox drink. The combination of lemon and cayenne pepper has long been used as a beverage for detoxification, but you don't need to drink it as part of a fast to enjoy its benefits. If you drink it before bedtime, you'll notice that your belly is flatter when you wake up. That's because cayenne pepper is rich in capsaicin, a compound that has been proven to speed up metabolism and aid in weight loss. Additionally, lemons aid proper digestion, combat obesity, and support gut health. To use this method, take a whole glass of warm water and squeeze out the juice of half a lemon. Then add 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Stir the mixture and drink it slowly because the pepper can irritate your throat. 3. Drink a ginger and cinnamon tea before sleeping. Similar to the lemon and pepper detox drink, taking a ginger and cinnamon tea will help you lose some belly fat overnight, but for very different reasons. Ginger has proven to be effective in combating obesity and aiding weight loss efforts. Additionally, according to an article published by Science Daily in 2017, cinnamon burns fat by making fat cells burn energy. If you want to try this method to lose fat while you sleep, peel a 1-inch portion of fresh ginger and slice it into small pieces. Let that steep in a glass of warm water and add 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Sip this slowly before bed, and you'll notice a flatter belly as soon as you wake up. 4. Take a natural laxative. Taking a laxative before bedtime will give you a healthy bowel movement the next morning. Consequently, that leads to a significantly flatter stomach with no signs of bloating. Additionally, when used correctly, laxatives can help improve your gut flora, making you better able to lose weight. When taking laxatives, opt for natural ones with mild effects. One of your best options is senna tea, which is widely available in tea bags at health food stores. If that's too potent for you, try adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to a full glass of water. Stir it until the seeds start to swell, and then drink it all up in one go. The fiber in the chia seeds works as a mild natural laxative. 5. Do abdominal exercises before bedtime. Although it might not be easy, tightening your muscles is the most effective way to lose belly fat. Engaging in an abdominal workout before bed will immediately improve the appearance of your belly and help give you a flatter stomach by morning. No single abdominal workout is best for everyone. Do something that challenges you and puts your muscles to work. It doesn't need to be a complicated routine. You can do simple crunches. Do as many as you can until it's too difficult to try another rep. The next day, you should feel the difference. If you do this every night, you'll notice a significant change in no time at all. These methods for losing belly fat overnight aren't meant to provide miraculous results. However, you'll notice that your belly immediately has a flatter appearance that will help you look sexier and make you feel more confident. The best part is that if you do these regularly, you'll be able to lose significant amounts of belly fat over time. Following our study references we used to create this video, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.